Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how I do my yogurt mask with honey. So without further ado, let's get started.
Alright, now this is the yogurt I'm using from the Desi yogurt. It's from India, and if you don't have, you can use Greek yogurt. Just 1 teaspoon, and then honey for 1 teaspoon. And mix them all up.
Here is the yogurt and honey. You don't need much because yogurt and honey is actually like a liquid when it touch your skin because of the warmth of your skin. So if you put more of the mask, it will be like a pudding on your face instead of mask. Before you apply the mask, don't forget to wash your face. Alright, now I'm applying yogurt and honey on my face. The benefit of yogurt and honey mask is they will make your skin moisturize, especially in the winter time like now. I will let it dry around 20 to 30 minutes. Meanwhile, I will clean my kitchen. I still have my scar from my hormonal acne, and it's not that bad actually. In the real life, just it's like the black spots only. It's been a long time I didn't get any acne anymore. So my husband is Indian, and whatever we eat, we will eat such a, you know, like herb things. So I think it helps to cure my hormonal acne faster, and also the acne medicine from the outside. Alright, so I've applied the mask on my face. I'm now just wait for it to dry around 20 to 30 minutes. So I'll be back. Alright, now the yogurt mask is already dried up. I wanna wash it with warm water. You don't need the face wash, just warm water. And the rest, you just need to use your skincare routine. I use the serum from Clarity and the moisturizer from Cetaphil. It is so crucial for me in the winter time like now to have more moisturizer on my skin because it is so dry and so tight. Cannot even talk like that. So I need something to moisturize my skin and make the skin supple again. Alright, that's all for this yogurt and honey mask. And if you feel this video is helpful, please share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye!